One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Sun's bright. I don't know if you can see me if I turn around though. I don't know. There we go. So this video is just a work vlog. It's like daily what's happening and basically redoing the Toyota Tercel. 52,000 original miles, one owner. Nice car. Pretty cool car. Some clear coat peeling, but we redid the wheels, undercoated it with some wheel well, some rust protectant and some rust deadening, and then some rust protectant paint. And we're working on some other things around here too. You'll see them all. Enjoy the video. There'll be more coming up. If you don't like these work vlog videos, don't watch them. There'll be the review of the car coming up soon too. Thanks for watching. Here we go. So here she is with the tire and wheel off. It's a really clean car. I'm gonna deck some stuff in here. We got it all cleaned up. Put some rust deadening stuff. Even though there's no corrosion, I'm gonna just kind of block it out with some satin or flat. This is drying out very nicely. It's gonna look fantabulous under there. And as you know, we were painting these wheels and we're done for the day. They're drying off. That's what we started with. And notice the center caps all faded. And here's the tires and wheels all ground down. We'll primer them tomorrow with a rust-proofing primer. And these look absolutely fabulous. All right, got it painted up. It'd be easier to see on the other side, I'm sure. Like I say, I usually like a flat black, but all I had is satin. And satin will work. Looks good. Okay, here's the wheel. I got the index cards all around it. Now I gotta find my paint. You're gonna love or hate this color, that's for sure. Yeah. I mean, this isn't even a choice. Most people around here, in fact, most people watching this would probably prefer something like this. But it doesn't give what I'm looking for. This gives it that pop, that flair. It's gonna be special for somebody. And it's gonna match my seat covers. What, Rich?
Bling!
But it's gonna give that bling. It's gonna be like they're in CB4. Light coats and the absolute best paint to use on wheels, in my opinion, is the hammered Rust-Oleum. So whenever you stop to fix something and you're using index cards, it's almost a guaranteed thing that they're going to start popping off. And you know, I was going to prime these, and I don't know if I'm going to now. I believe I'm not. I'm just going to do them without the primer. But always put tape on that. Okay, now even though these are going to get scratched up when we put them on, I'm going to paint them just to where the look is complete, I guess you'd say. And I'm going to use a hammered on this too. In case you're not catching on yet, you'll notice that I like hammered paint for this kind of application. It's truly a forgiving paint because of the hammered texture. And like I say, these will get scratched up a little putting them on, but it'll look better than it did before. That's for sure. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll give it a little bit more in a while. Got the whole driveway all cleared out pretty much, and just got done with this bad boy. I made the video to go out tomorrow, Sunday. Well, I don't know if this will come out Monday. I don't know what I'll do, but this is the Firebird Trans Am. It's in great shape. I don't know if I said Camaro a minute ago. That'd be embarrassing. But beautiful car, great shape. Everything's redone on it. Needs nothing except to be driven. Cool car. But that's the walk around video. You've seen the wheels on the Prelude or the Tercel. I'm gonna do one more thing on that. I got tape coming for that, double-sided. Gonna get the alignment this week. The Dodge we pulled out and started on, but, you know, we ended up having to jump to the Trans Am. So, 2 wheels left, seat to put back in the truck. Lots of stuff to do. I got a grill coming for the G30 over there. So you're gonna see a lot of stuff start clipping together. And if you don't like these update type videos, then don't watch them. I mean, that's, you know, I can't really do anything about it. I'm just doing updates. Wheel wells, man. You can make a huge difference by doing out your wheel wells and any of the suspension parts around them. I'm gonna get that now. It's been undercoated, clean it up, we spray a rust deadening stuff on them, and then we use a rust protectant paint. Here's how it looks after spraying it. And I'm using a satin. I really prefer a flat. Don't really know where I'm throwing this in, but that looks good. Looking good. With the caps and all, kind of hard to beat. I love the color. I think it worked out great. It was a 50-50 thing, I guess. It could have been too bright, really easy. So there's lots of buildup around here. And wow, you fucking moved all kinds of stuff today. He's moved all this stuff over here this morning. So we got a little bit more room. And once we get the skid steer back, there's gonna be a whole dump, 6 tons, 8 tons of trash coming out of here. I gotta get into these cables. There is a buttload of money here. I gotta figure out how many pin they are. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy stuff. Just finished the Trans Am. It went up yesterday on the channel, which was Sunday. What is that, the 16th? This is a nice car. It runs great. Couple 2-3 pumps. This bad boy is started. Ready to go. What could look better than that? Sitting right in front of my place. Got the molding tape. Got lots of things we're going to be using that on. Explorer will be coming up this week. Not only that, somebody did that recently. What a joke. Some freaking moron came by here and looked at this. Well, blast from the past, the 65 Impala will be coming up. It's a clean car. Definitely one of the classics I've been wanting to get on my channel. So, all kinds of cars. You've seen what's been going on. I had to get a speed sensor for this here. And the upspan is showing up right at the same time. Might be for me. This one, the Intrepid, we had a problem with the tranny. It wasn't shifting. It wasn't shifting and it was a speed sensor. We think. Ordered 2 of them. Dodge is coming up. The Hummer, I already did. There's a lot of cars out here. The Eagle, I'm jumping back on the Eagle, and we might sand down the whole front of it and everything, and do it to it. So the upspan is here, and this Honda, Toyota, I'm gonna try to put a toilet plunger on the top part of this door. There's just a couple, they got it pretty good, man. I don't know how much I'm gonna get it out at all, or if at all. But this fender, we ordered a new fender for it. That came today. And I got this color, but it sure doesn't look the same in the can. We'll see how it looks when we're done. But I ordered the light, the fender. We're gonna repair that part on the crack and paint the front too, I think. I don't know. I ordered both of these for the heck of it because it had cracks in it. Damn it, I should have ordered the headlights too. See, you keep putting money in this piece of junk. But overall, it's a nice, clean car that will look good with the fender. Fender will make all the difference in the world. What are you doing, Flash? Are you Flash?
Yes.
Flash, go Flash! It's now 10:30, 11 o'clock. And there's already ice still on the cars, if it's in the shade. What's wrong, Breeder? Why are you crying? My cat loves this dog. We're okay. So 3rd shipment, 2nd and 3rd shipment. Let's see what we got here. You know, I'm at the point in life where I don't even remember what I ordered when it shows up. Got some tack cloth for the painting. Got some kind of cover for my telephone. Got a box full of wire wheels. That'll come in handy. And then a bunch of printer cartridges. So we're in business now with the molding tape. But got more stuff coming today. We're waiting. What are you doing? So easy to just sand these down, do this to them, and throw some color on them. I always forget to put the tape on the plug. All right, I'm about to call that a wrap. I just gotta beat my chest on the color pick for this wheels on this Tercel again, man. Woo! With that green paint? Oh, dang, that looks good. What do you got, leather?
No.
What's in that box? Oh, it's the connectors.
Battery connectors.
Just forget these old junk ones that come from Walmart. We got all brass connectors and stuff. Woo! Down in the links below. Check us out on Amazon. And I'll tell you what, if you have a DeWalt drill, these batteries, there's a link in my store. What they'll do is good as any DeWalt battery, maybe 5–10% less. But they're like $30 for two. It's crazy.
$1 deposit in California.
I know. You didn't know that?
No.
I was going to just say that on the video. In California, these are like $22, $24, and a $10 deposit. $10 refundable deposit. But you got to get it back within 90 days. Look at that. It's been longer than 90 days. But in Montana, these cost $8.88, $9.28, something like that. And there ain't no deposit. What are you doing?
I'm Number.
Please, I'm Vladimir. What's your name?
Number.
You're Vladimir. Okay.
Alright. This you know.
All brass fittings on this tube. I think I paid like $19, $18 or something. But now you got an actual, we'll show you the gauge for a little bit too. Now you got an actual, oh, you're bringing more? Well, thank you. Good job.
So now if I turn this clamp down, oh, it says she's full. It says danger.
Danger. I don't like the way the tires toe in on this. Otherwise, it's ready to picture. It's a nice truck. That's the only really gouge in it right there. We're gonna get this double-sided tape on it, get it polished up a little bit more, just a hand glaze, and we're good. It's a nice, clean rig. Look at the kid. Anything you do, he acts like he's learning and watching, and if you put that one down for about 30 seconds, he'll pick it up and figure out how to get it going. Whoa! Whoa! Come here. More stuff, more stuff, more stuff. I think this is all probably paint. Yeah, it's all spray paint. Why go to Walmart and find out that, well, I like their packaging. I'm going to save that. Get 25, order the ones you want. $6 or something. Way to go.
I gotta make sure that ain't broke. It's
What is it?
smashed. I think it's a grill, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. And this one came smashed. We're going to make sure it's not bad. Alright, I ordered this from Amazon, which ended up coming from Rock Auto. Now, I pulled these out. This is the second one. Looks nice. All the inset paint is nice. The first one I pulled out with, I wasn't happy about. All the paint is cracked. I don't know if you can see that, but all the paint, they did an awful paint job. And I'm going to want to return this one. It makes me need to check my grill. Although the covers or the surrounds didn't look so bad on the truck, you can tell they're faded. I mean, they're definitely faded. The inset was way a different color than it was supposed to be. These are definite upgrade to that, for sure.
Pretty nice.
Let's pull this out of the bag. Before you do, check this out. It's gonna have to go back.
Oh, that ain't good.
Look at that, dude's all lacquering everywhere.
Yeah, that's bad.
That's just a poor paint job.
Yep.
I could do better with a rattle can.
That's
Maybe we cut the whole thing, huh? So we don't rip a clip off.
made in Taiwan. So the bow tie sits against that, so I wonder if we can make that other piece fit there. It just hangs out here, you see what I mean? Oh, maybe it doesn't.
Okay, whenever I replace a grill, I always repaint all the housings and stuff back here and everything. And Rich brought up a good question, like, what's up with this factory sticker with overspray? And I actually think that the factory sprays these and this mid piece and a couple pieces in the truck, flat black over, because here's the color of the body there. Same color as that, right there. So I think they spray everything in a line and then they black out the back of it, and that's why there's a little bit of black paint on there, because nobody's been back here. And you can tell this was painted and this was painted, but the years of driving down the road and have things hit it just kind of peckered off all the paint. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is a super clean 1992 Toyota Tercel. It's a one owner, and it's only got 52,000 original miles. I'm gonna do a quick walk around of it, and then I'll show you any damages, which ain't nothing to talk about really. Getting rare to find. In the manual, I hear it can get 42 miles a gallon. It's rated at 33 city and 39 highway. The bumpers are absolutely beautiful. Hi, Vlad. Wheels, beautiful. Wheel wells. This thing is clean as the day is long. But, there we go. Clean. 1.5 liter. And I'm here to tell you, this car is clean as can be. Even got a Toyota filter. All the stickers still on everything. Pretty cool. Pretty rare to find them this clean. Okay, got my pictures. Look at the kick panels or whatever you want to call them. Look at the door jambs. Look at this. So clean. This is a Chevy Super Sport. It'd be 6 figures. Well, that was it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. There'll be more work vlogs coming up. Make sure and subscribe, like, comment. Check out some other videos on my channel if you haven't. There's like 8,000 of them on here. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow or the next day.